Today, we take a look at what a premier ocean view suite in the Henlopen Hotel on Rehoboth Beach in Delaware looks like. Stepping inside, there is a mini fridge, microwave, and coffee maker in the entrance area. This entranceway also has a rack for storage and hanging clothes, as well as an ironing board. The premier ocean view suites are two-room suites, and actually have two doorways, effectively two adjoining rooms made into a larger suite. As we continue into the first room, we next get to the bathroom area, with a double sink. Next to the sinks, there is a separate room with a door you can close. Inside is the bathroom, where you will find a toilet, a tub, and a towel rack, with some extra tissues and toilet paper. The rooms are a bit sparse, but this first room had a table with an ice bucket, a dresser and TV, and a king bed. The bed had night tables on each side, and at the end of the room was a balcony with two chairs and a small table. The second conjoined room has a queen bed and a separate door, although it should be mentioned, this entrance cannot be opened from the outside with your key card. This room also has a fairly large living area with a sofa and coffee tables, another dresser with a TV, a small dining table with chairs, and of course, another balcony. Overall, it is a lot of space for being right on the boardwalk. That being said, it is located at the end, so about a 10-minute walk to the main shops and restaurants, and the hotel is quite dated, so the rooms are a bit beat up. The hotel also lacks some amenities you find at other properties, such as a restaurant or fitness center. And while the two private balconies do have what the website refers to as a partial view of the Atlantic Ocean, most of what you see is the parking area and around and across to other hotel rooms and condos. To get a semi-decent view, you really have to sit at one end of the balcony and get a glimpse of the beach and ocean between a narrow corridor created by the two buildings. Even with this restricted view, it was nice to be able to relax and watch the waves. You are close enough that you can hear them as well. Finally, the cost for this two-room suite was amazing. It was half the cost of a single room at other hotels on the boardwalk. We hope this video has been informative. Please like, follow, and subscribe.